Nadie me va a joder. Odio a todo el mundo. Yo creo que soy mejor que todo el mundo. ¿Y tú sabes qué? Yo creo que todo el mundo lo sepa.
Yeah, I'm cool on your opinion on my strategy. Phone full of women all mad at me cause they ain't on my mind like they used to. Cause I ain't got the time that I used to. Money tight as usual, but it's cool because it's coming. And I don't ever follow your strut. I don't ever follow money, I just follow my gut. Now they following Russ. Yeah, your boy's getting bigger now. Y'all careers dying, start pouring out the liquor now. Been that distance 06 before it started being cool to drop albums with no hits. I'm out here coming for all of it. I want all the acknowledgement, I want all the accomplishments. I want cars that's astonishing, plus the house that my mama's in should be big as a continent. I make good on my promises, 50 bitches to party with, man, the world is my audience. I'm just trying to get my statement. Billboard from a basement, the type of focus where you wonder where the day went, but do it all again. How to be a millionaire, it's getting harder to call a friend. Too many hidden agendas, you 50-50 with your character. My life is on the line, so there's gonna always be a barrier between me and most. I never let them too close, with the girls it's no different. I can't be falling for hoes, that's why I keep to myself. I stay recording, trying to upgrade my life to the nights full of lights, cash and runways. I haven't had a Monday since 18, I knew in high school I could go pro like KG, and lately it's been looking like I made the right decision. Find my way out of the dark, I got a flashlight vision. If I ass right, but the face left, then I'm dipping. I need a chick 3 for 3 like Pippin. Hang my jersey up, it's worthy of the rafters. I know the game, I ain't worried about these rappers. It's too predictable now, it's so political now. And I'm sorry if I sound a little cynical now. It's just that most my favorite rappers are invisible now. Every day I make a song that's just habitual now. Ain't nobody gonna do it like me. Ain't nobody gonna fill the void I see but me, so here I go. 12 shots like the cops, now I'm wasted. It's in the blood of America to be racist. Land of the taken, home of the cover it all up and don't say shit. Act like it ain't happened. Cut, copy, paste it and put it on every channel. Doesn't matter if you change it, I'm off it though. It ain't where I've gone, it's where I gotta go. I tell these local girls what they wanna know. Never fuck them twice cause I won't be there to catch them. Self-belief and the passion, this the natural reaction. I just be singing these ballads like a young Mike Bolton. Spree well with the raps though, like Russ might choke him. Keep a few eyes open, I'm everywhere, I'm omnipresent. Wired with the drive of a Bugatti engine. I've been running non-stop since 14. Ain't no time to slow up, man, I need more beats. Even though I got 500 sitting in the playlist, I'm starting to realize that the money won't change shit. I'm starting to realize that y'all basic ain't my basic. On the plane to the A, making A-list of all the shit that matters. Your opinions didn't make it. About to be an A-list celebrity. Wife me up a singer. Hope she got an accent. Hope she drinks liquor. Bored of advisors, I can count on 4 fingers. Leave the middle one open to let you know I ain't sweet. Been a shepherd my whole life, I can't relate to the sheep. It's a shame you asleep, but I'm about to make your bed shake. Bow down to me, I'm the sensei. Let's play, who's gon' be here in a decade? A lot of y'all are barely even making it to the next day, man. The fuck? Y'all doing, man? Y'all here getting platforms and shit? Turning up talking about dumb shit? Man. And the crazy shit is that, like, people believe you because you're popping. So you can say whatever you want. But that shit sounds dumb as fuck. And all y'all got low fucking IQs. And all y'all figure out what's popping off in the world at like 28. Cause y'all like guidance, and that's not, man. Me, Boogus, and Diamond about to come through and fuck all y'all up. Cause y'all motherfuckers are dumb as shit. And it's just that simple. We're smart as fuck with good music. Fuck off.